Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am here at the Capitol for the American Bakers Association fly-in, and I am catching up with Tony Martin, president of Martin's Famous Pastry Shop. Hi, Tony. Thanks for catching up with me today.
Oh, it's a pleasure being here.
So, as a member and board member of the American Bakers Association and the president of a long-standing baking company, why do you think it's important to participate in things like these fly-ins?
Well, I think it's important for our representatives to know what's important to us as business and as employers in the area. And I think that they aren't always aware of the issues we're dealing with. So I think it's good to be here.
I totally agree, and I actually had an opportunity to sit in on several Hill visits, and it was fascinating to hear bakers and bakery suppliers talk about those important issues and then get that feedback too. I'm curious, what was your highlight of the day?
Oh, actually, this is my first time to Washington, so it's really interesting to see how Washington works. And I was able to meet even our local representative and see him in his office and realize that what they do is very important and affects us all. And I was excited to be able to explain to them, how the labor issues that we're all facing are what kind of issues it causes for the industry, and hopefully we can find ways to work together with Washington to make this a better place.
I totally agree. Well, Tony, thanks so much for catching up with me, and thanks for being here to help move the industry forward.
Well, thanks for having us. Appreciate it.